Tonight, continuing coverage of the investigation into an incident that closed the northbound lanes of Interstate 81 for more than an hour this morning. Troopers had to shut down the highway to search for evidence after a driver reported that his car may have been shot. WFXR's Amari Williams sat down with a law enforcement expert after VSP says they didn't find anything to find out what their next steps may look like.
There's so much that could go into an investigation like this. So many charges that could be filed, but you have to do the investigation to make that determination.
If you were headed north on I-81 in Roanoke County this morning, you may have seen or even sat in a 6-mile-long traffic backup near Salem. Virginia State Police had the road blocked off so troopers and canine units could search for bullet casings after a driver said his car had gunshot damage. Criminologist and former police officer Todd Burke says the next step is to find out what may have left that kind of mark.
Because that's one of the things they have to determine. Were shots really fired? Was another type of object thrown at the vehicle, whether it be a rock, a bottle, or something? So those are the types of evidence that you're trying to find.
Right now, state police say they didn't find any bullet casings, but Burke says if shots were in fact fired, investigators will then have to figure out whether this was a targeted incident or done in the heat of the moment. Burke says regardless of what may have happened, if you ever find yourself in a situation like this one, you need to report it as soon as possible.
Your safety and the safety of others is extremely important. So you want to get to a location where you can safely pull off, or if not, at least try to find a location where there's a police headquarters or a police substation.
It may be tough in a stressful situation, but Burke says you'll also want to be on the lookout for anything that helps police identify a suspect. That could be a license plate number, the make and model of a car, or even a description of the person who may be involved. In Roanoke, Amari Williams, WFXR News.